We're less than a month away from the release of the next iPhone, and things are getting exciting. According to a reliable source, Apple's new iPhones will be $50 more expensive this year. So don't expect a huge price change, but it may still fluctuate slightly based on your local currency and taxes. This means that the base model iPhone 17 Pro Max will cost around $1,249 rather than $1,199. However, at this pricing, we might expect significant changes to the Pro models. First up is the design, which will finally alter after many years. The last design update occurred in 2019 with the introduction of the iPhone 11. This time, we have a flat camera bump. And this is more than just a cosmetic adjustment, it also has a purpose. The rear will feature a 48-megapixel triple camera arrangement. The new 48-megapixel telephoto camera is expected to include a variable periscope zoom lens. A variable periscope zoom lens means that the phone can now provide incredible zoom quality, just like a mirrorless camera system. According to the sources, the zoom will be 8 times with optical zoom. Currently, the iPhone 16 Pro Max can only offer 5x optical zoom. In addition, Apple appears to be developing a specialized professional camera software. This professional camera app will have a variety of features and options, such as focus control and white balance. Finally, one more rumor about the iPhone 17 is gaining traction: the aluminum unibody design. Say goodbye to the titanium framework. Now we'll get the aluminum unibody design. See this new image, which shows the relocated antennas. This confirms an aluminum body with a glass back. And the glass back will be used for wireless charging. This year we'll also see an improvement to wireless charging. We're getting about 35 to 40 watts of new MagSafe charging to quickly charge this iPhone. Although the actual wattage is unknown, it will undoubtedly be upgraded this year. Next up is the all-new A19 Pro chipset. This chipset will power the iPhone 17 Pro models, providing users with incredible performance while remaining efficient. This year's iPhone 17 Pro models will also have 12 gigabytes of RAM. Apple will eventually boost the RAM this year because Apple Intelligence requires more memory. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.